landed in Las Vegas about 45 minutes ago, and now I am riding on a BMW XR 1000. It's a bit cold. It says it's 45. I'm in town for a conference. Got a couple of hours to kill, so rented a bike on Twisted Road for the first time, and now I'm just riding around Red Rock Canyon area. It is windy, I'll tell you that. I don't know if you're picking that up on the microphone, but it is windy. See what we're getting into here. Reservations required. This could be a real short trip. National fee. The guy said, you do need a reservation, and then just let me go. So I guess that was nice of him. So Red Rock Canyon area is a 13-mile one-way loop. A lot of scenic views. Looks like people hike through here. I think there might be some camping. It is $12 to get in. They recommend a reservation. Absolutely beautiful. This bike seems a little bit much for 35 miles an hour scenic route. So that's about gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna head back into town now and drop off the bike and then get to dinner and work.